Odense, the vibrant capital of the island of Funen in Denmark, is a city that delights visitors with its rich history, cultural heritage, and modern charm. As the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen, the renowned fairy tale author, Odense offers a blend of literary inspiration, historic landmarks, and contemporary experiences that cater to travelers of all ages. The city's deep connection to Hans Christian Andersen is evident throughout Odense. The Hans Christian Andersen Museum is a must-visit, offering insights into the life and works of the beloved writer. The museum's exhibits, including manuscripts, personal belongings, and interactive displays, provide a captivating journey through Andersen's creative world. Visitors can also explore the Hans Christian Andersen childhood home, a charming half-timbered house where the author spent his early years. Odense's historic center features cobblestone streets, charming squares, and medieval architecture that exude a timeless ambience. The Odense Cathedral, a towering Gothic masterpiece, stands as a symbol of the city's religious heritage and offers a serene place for reflection. The historic district's museums, such as the Funen Village Open Air Museum and the Brandts Museum of Art and Visual Culture, provide opportunities to delve into Danish history, culture, and art. Cultural experiences thrive in Odense, with theaters, galleries, and cultural events adding vibrancy to the city's atmosphere. The Odense Symphony Orchestra and the Odense Theatre offer performances ranging from classical music to contemporary plays. The city's annual H.C. Andersen festivals celebrate the author's legacy through theatrical performances, parades, and interactive events that captivate both young and old. Odense's culinary scene is a celebration of local and international flavors. The city's restaurants, cafes, and food markets offer a range of options, from traditional Danish dishes to global cuisines. Visitors can savor Nordic delights, gourmet treats, and artisanal creations while enjoying the city's ambience. For those seeking relaxation and leisure, Odense's parks and green spaces provide tranquil respites. The romantic gardens of Munch Mose and the lush pathways of Fruens Boch Park offer opportunities for picnics, walks, and enjoying nature. The nearby Odense Fjord invites visitors to explore its scenic landscapes and engage in water-based activities. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore the city's surroundings through cycling, hiking, and exploring the picturesque landscapes of Funen. The Eegeskov Castle, located nearby, is a Renaissance masterpiece with stunning gardens, historic interiors, and a range of attractions, including mazes and treetop adventures. Odense is a city that seamlessly blends literary inspiration, cultural richness, and modern vitality. Whether you're discovering Andersen's world, exploring historic landmarks, enjoying cultural events, or simply strolling through its charming streets, Odense promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Danish heritage, literary legacy, and the dynamic spirit of a city that honors its past while embracing its present.